Welcome to our Power BI Masterclass. We are a community of authors who share daily Power BI tutorials, tips and tricks, guides, and much more. Subscribe to our channel to get our free content. Today we share with you an article about a storytelling framework for Power BI dashboards. When we build dashboards in Power BI, it's tempting to just drop in charts and KPIs. But the real magic happens when those visuals tell a story that guides someone from confusion to clarity and finally to decision-making. One of the simplest and most effective storytelling frameworks you can use is the problem insight action approach. Think of it like this. Instead of just dumping data on people, you tell them a story with 3 parts. 1. Problem, here's what's going wrong. 2. Insight, here's why it's happening. 3. Action, here's exactly what we need to do about it. You will find a link to the article in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, may the Power BI be with you.